Hey, now y'all know I like my short videos now. A police car flips during a wild high-speed chase in Arkansas. See? Sheesh. Let's check it out. No, not yet. We're top down here. God damn. Ah, damn.
Roll over, roll over, roll over. Star Central, Star Central. What's the time on you?
Holy hell. Yeah, it's rap for you, my boy.
County
Damn.
at random.
Yep, they about to beat him. They is about to beat this man. See, that's the dangers about doing high speed pit maneuvers, you know what I'm saying? That's the dangers of it, you know what I'm saying? Especially like I understand somebody dangerous, get them off the road as quick as possible, but officer safety is important as well, you know what I'm saying? Now the person that committed the crime, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? They get hurt, that's on them. They chose to run. You know what I'm saying? But catch you on the next one.